everyone, in this video series I'm going to demonstrate to you the plasma welding cutting attachment, which is also called the circular cutting attachment. This is the roller suitable for the plasma torch P60 and P80 and above. This is the silver type. So for the second one, which is the bronze type, you can choose the design that you want. It's easy to cut in a straight line or circular line according to the shape that you want. So the third one this is the straight line cutting plasma cutting attachment. So for more details on this plasma cutting attachment, you can always visit our website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want, or contact us for more details and information. Thanks.